Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel Amex credit card. If you want to cancel your credit card for American Express, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser and then go ahead and type in americanexpress.com and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for American Express. From the main homepage, go ahead and look for the help option at the top right and then scroll down and click on the contact us button right next to call or write. Now go ahead and expand your account type and you will be provided with the list of phone numbers you can call for. Go ahead and select the phone number right where it says My Credit Guide Customer Care. Call this number over here and then you can go ahead and ask the customer service representative to cancel your credit card. You can also call the number on the back of your card. You may be asked to provide your reason for canceling the card. If you have an outstanding balance on your card, you'll need to pay it off before it can be cancelled. So that is how you can easily go ahead and apply for your card cancellation for American Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.